Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make cheese pandesal. If you watch my previous video about pandesal, they're almost the same. The only thing that has been added is the cheese. So these are the ingredients. All the ingredients will be in my description, so don't worry. So I've got white flour, sugar, salt, oil, cheese, milk, lukewarm milk, yeast, and sugar. So we need to activate the yeast in a lukewarm milk with sugar, and we're gonna mix them together, and then we're gonna leave this for 5 minutes just to activate the yeast. So all the flour, the sugar, the yeast were all mixed together, but on this segment I really forgot to turn on the video, but they're all mixed, guys, don't worry. So as you can see, they're well incorporated, thoroughly mixed. Our dough is soft and elastic, and it's time to proof. So if you can see, it's very soft and elastic. So the dough needs to rest, so that's proofing. It needs to rest so that they will rise. And then when you put that in the container or in a mixing bowl, make sure you oil a little bit and then cover it with a cling wrap or any towel. And then you're gonna leave that for an hour. So that's it, and we'll come back. After an hour, all the dough will always double in size. And you get ready with the next step. So as you can see, that is a really perfect dough. Yeah, that's it. It's very soft and elastic. And that's it. Oh, that's the perfect. Our dough was well rested. I normally weigh all my dough before I cut them. It's best and it's nice to weigh so that you will have an equal parts. And as you can see, it's really soft. And then that's it. I weigh, and I've decided to cut the dough and 40 grams each dough. I have already weighed all my dough, so it's time to put the cheese. I just use my hand, but on this segment you can use a rolling pin, but I love to use my hand. That's okay. And then I put the cheese inside, and then I just tuck in. Just clip. Make sure you clip everything and form a ball. And then make sure you form the ball. And then put with the breadcrumbs, coat with the breadcrumbs. And just repeat the process. So flatten. If you have the rolling pin, that's fine. But I just use my hand there, and then I put the cheese in the middle, and then fold, fold, clip, clip, clip. And then roll with your hand. I have made 16 dough balls, and I have proofed them for an hour. After an hour, they are double in size again. They are well rested, and they are ready to go to the oven. I have put them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius, and they will be baked for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. It depends on the oven, so make sure you check. And there you go. I have a cheese pandesal. It's perfect. It's so hot. So excited to eat. So please try this, guys, at home. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, ouchie, ouchie. It's really hot, but it's so soft. You see, it's so soft. The cheese is inside. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, just comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And please check out my other videos as well. Enjoy every bite. Stay safe, everyone. Yours truly, Tita Barbee. Bye.